Hey there, today we're checking out Owncloud. This is a file sharing and collaboration tool. Let's see what it's about and see how it compares to other competitors. Owncloud is an open source platform you host yourself, like running your own cloud. It lets you sync files across devices, edit documents with your team in real time, and even manage calendars or contacts. It's built with security in mind. Think encryption and two-factor authentication. Plus, big players like CERN rely on it for handling huge amounts of data. With Owncloud, you get file syncing, collaboration through tools like OnlyOffice or Microsoft 365, and full control over your data since it's on your server. It's free to use and you can customize it however you like. Great for privacy fans. So, how does it stack up against competitors? Owncloud is self-hosted. Owncloud excels with enterprise-grade security and scalability, but other competitors like Nextcloud, Dropbox, Google Workspace, and Microsoft OneDrive do not have such thing. Another thing is it ties in smoothly with Office, which is a plus. Like others though, it's cloud-based, not your own setup. That's Owncloud in a nutshell. Strong on privacy and control, though it does need some tech know-how to get going. What do you think? Could it work for you? Drop a like and subscribe for more tech bites. Catch you next time.